Hi, this is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. What do you do if you're hanging grass cloth or a fabric and you start getting wrinkles? And I'm talking about horizontal wrinkles. You see this? And it happens. The wall covering could get tension on it. I want to show you an easy way. You might just keep going over this where you're smoother. You see those ripples? And then you kind of think that's it, it's gonna be ruined. But no, it's not gonna be ruined. I'm gonna show you what glue does to these wrinkles. You see this wrinkle right here? You see this? And now you see this glue that I put in there? I want to show you what that does. Put your glue in there, drag it in there. Voila, wrinkles gone. The glue takes up volume. It fills in the wallpaper. Don't think you're gonna have a hump there, no. But it eliminates the wrinkle. Look, where else can we see one? I think I have, you see this right here? Perfect example. Let me show you. I'm gonna bring some glue up there, okay? Watch what we do. Right on my smoother. Wipe off my smoother. Now, let's see what it does. There was my wrinkle. Right? Okay, now watch this. Make sure your smooth is clean so you're not dragging glue on it. Watch. Gone.
Wow, it's almost
Gone.
but you feel good now.
Yes, I do. Here was another one right here.
Did you take the money?
Oh no. And so there you go. If you get wrinkles in your grass cloth or your fabric, don't panic. Put some glue under it and then pull the material in the direction of the wrinkle. So if your wrinkle is this way, you're gonna pull it this way. If your wrinkle is diagonal, you're gonna pull it diagonal. Thanks for watching. This is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. I'll see you on the next one.